A status certificate is a document that provides important information about a condominium property. It can be a helpful tool for those looking to buy or rent a condo unit, or for existing owners who need to review their building's financial and legal information. When selling or purchasing a condominium property, the sale of the property is usually conditional on the seller providing one to the buyer at the seller's expense for the buyer's lawyer to review. Purchasing a condo property without this condition may be risky, as you may be left with additional expenses and liabilities. Knowing how well the property is managed financially and the amount of funds in the reserve can give you a clear indication whether a property is a good purchase or home to hold on to for years to come. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.